Welcome to Addicted to AI, where artificial intelligence comes to life. Are you intrigued by how AI can transform our world? You're in the right place. Dive into the universe of AI with us, from the basics to the cutting-edge innovations shaping our future. We demystify complex AI concepts, making them accessible to everyone. Delve into our in-depth analyses, where we unravel emerging trends and show you how artificial intelligence is redefining entire industries. Our step-by-step tutorials will guide you through the exciting realm of AI, equipping you with the tools to understand and apply this groundbreaking technology. Meet the trailblazers in our exclusive interviews, where experts share their insights and experiences. And don't miss out on our project demonstrations, where you'll see AI in action, showcasing its potential to change the world. At Addicted to AI, we also believe in the power of innovative products. We bring you recommendations for the latest tools, gadgets, and resources that can help you connect more with this fascinating technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or just curious about artificial intelligence, this is your space to learn, discover, and be inspired. Subscribe to Addicted to AI, turn on notifications, and join our community. Explore the incredible world of AI with us.